Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You should start by protecting your data and understanding risks. Make a full backup and confirm it restores. This is non-negotiable. Once done, enable developer options and USB debugging purely for diagnostics. Also, make sure to read your device maker's bootloader and warranty policy so you know what unlocking may void. I will not provide instructions that bypass security, but following these preparatory steps keeps you safe and informed before considering advanced device modifications. Next, focus on precise research and validated tools. Identify your exact model, build number, and any carrier locks. That determines available options. Gather only official manufacturer tools and documentation, and keep stock firmware on hand so you can restore if needed. Consult well-known community forums to learn about common pitfalls and recovery steps from others with the same device. Treat anecdotal guides as reports, not step-by-step blueprints. This reduces risk while you evaluate whether to proceed through official channels. To finish responsibly, double-check backups, stored firmware, and recovery procedures so you can revert if anything goes wrong. If you ultimately decide to proceed through official unlock channels, make sure you have the stock firmware and a tested restore plan ready. If your device becomes unstable, prioritize restoring stock software with manufacturer tools and contact vendor support or an authorized service. Remember, I can't provide step-by-step bypass instructions, but I can help you evaluate risks, recovery options, and safe next steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.